So someone just asked a question in the Facebook group, HVAC Automotive Technicians, how often should I change my oil? Well, on this one particular vehicle, they had to replace the plastic piece. So they disconnected right here, took off the condenser, replaced this plastic piece, just put it back on. Never opened to the atmosphere. Well, maybe it was before, I don't know. But while I worked on it, it was never open to the atmosphere because it was back purged with nitrogen. But I'm still doing the test on this little battery powered thing. I run it every day until the battery goes testing. This is day 20. So day 20, it's still going. Not doing any permanent, really detailed tests because this little 2CF pump takes me so long to do any job with. I'd go bankrupt if I tried to make a living off that little pump. And it doesn't pump down enough. It takes too long and the battery goes dead on moist systems where it's worthless for my work. But look at the oil. This is just pumping on this job. You see how cloudy that is? That was crystal clear when I started this job. Now this pump has to have the oil changed just after this one job. It was crystal clear, now it's dirty, now it needs to be changed. Check this out. This was crystal clear when I started. Now it's all hazy. And it's milky looking. That was after this. I did 4 vehicles before I got to this shop, and that oil stayed crystal clear all this time. And I decided to make a video on this video, and I hooked up that vacuum pump and it turned all cloudy and milky like that. One vehicle. Whoever worked on this before had it open up to the atmosphere. They did the cans, they got air in there. Maybe they were an idiot and they used shop compressed air and they totally saturated the system. So there's nothing I can do. This is what happens when somebody works on a system, leaves them open to the air, does something wrong, uses shop compressed air. That's it. The desiccant would be totally wiped out and saturated with moisture. There's nothing you can do. As soon as you use shop compressed air on a car, if you do, it'll literally impregnate so much oil or moisture into the oil, your vacuum pump cannot take it out. Your desiccant will become saturated and you're not taking it out with a vacuum pump, and you end up with shit like this. See you guys later.